Next, question number 7. Prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to sum of the squares of its diagonals. Okay, here we are talking about rhombus. Let's draw rhombus. This is the rhombus. Naming this figure A, B, C, D. Let A, B, C, D is a rhombus. Okay, we know properties of rhombus. Opposite sides are parallel. Okay, CD is parallel to BA and AD is parallel to BC. In rhombus, four sides are equal. Okay, AB equal to BC equal to CD, which is equal to DA. Okay, four sides are equal and diagonals are bisect each other at the angle 90. Okay, diagonals are BD and AC. Diagonals bisect each other. It means, let this point is O. AO equal to OC and OB. OB equal to OD. Okay, and here angle equal to 90 degrees. Diagonals are bisect each other at 90 degrees. These are the properties of rhombus. In rhombus, four sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel and diagonals are bisect each other at an angle 90 degrees. Okay, here we need to prove sum of the squares of the sides. Sum of the squares of the sides. Sides are AB, BC, CD, DA. Squares of the sides. AB square sum plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square is equal to sum of the squares of its diagonals. Diagonals are BD and AC. BD square plus AC square. Here we need to prove sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to sum of the squares of its diagonals. Is it clear? See, here we have four right angle triangles. They are AOB is one right angle triangle and BOC is one right angle triangle. Next, COD is right angle triangle and AOD is right angle triangle. Okay, here we have four right angle triangles. From triangle AOB, here angle AOB equal to 90 degrees. So apply Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. AB square equal to OB square plus OA square. Okay, here using Pythagoras theorem. Here using Pythagoras theorem. See this figure. Here AO equal to OC. Okay. Here AC. Diagonal AC equal to AO plus OC. AO plus OC. Okay. We know AO equal to OC. Instead of OC, we write AO. AO plus AO. 2AO equal to AC. Therefore, AO equal to AC by 2. Okay. Here AO equal to OC. In same way, see diagonal BD. BD equal to OB plus OD. OB plus OD. Here diagonals bisect each other. OB equal to OD. OB equal to OD. In place of OD, we can write OB. BD equal to OB plus OB, 2OB. Hence OB equal to BD by 2. Okay. Here we get the equation according to Pythagoras theorem. AB square equal to OB square plus OC square. Okay. In place of OA, we write AC by 2. Next, in place of OB, we can write BD by 2. Therefore, AB square equal to BD square. 2 square is 4. AC square by 2 square is 4. Is it clear? AB square equal to BD square by 4 and AC square by 4. Let this is equation 1. In same way, see triangle 2. From triangle BOC, angle BOC is 90 degrees. So apply Pythagoras theorem. See triangle BOC, here angle equal to 90 degrees. Angle BOC equal to 90 degrees. So applying Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. It means BC square equal to OB square plus OC square. Okay. We know OC. Here we get AO equal to AC by 2. AO equal to OC. AO equal to OC. OC equal to AC by 2. In place of OC, we can write AC by 2 whole square. OB. OB equal to BD by 2 whole square. BC square equal to AC square by 4, BD square by 2. Let this is equation 2. Similarly, see triangle 3, COD. From triangle COD is one right angle triangle, right angle at angle COD. So applying Pythagoras theorem, CD square equal to OD square plus OC square. Here using Pythagoras theorem, CD square equal to OC square plus OD square. Here OC equal to AC by 2 whole square. Here OB, we get OB equal to BD by 2. Here diagonals bisect each other. OB equal to OD. Okay. So OD equal to BD by 2. BD by 2 whole square. Therefore, CD square equal to AC square by 4 plus BD square by 4. Let this is equation 3. Next, see triangle 4. From triangle AOD, angle AOD equal to 90 degrees. So applying Pythagoras theorem, AD square equal to OD square plus OA square. Here OD equal to BD by 2. OA equal to AC by 2. AC by 2 whole square. Here we get AD square equal to BD square by 4 plus AC square by 4. Let this is equation 4 from 1, 2, 3, 4. Adding 4 equations. Here we have 4 AC squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 4 AC square by 4. Next 4 BD squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 BD square by 4. 4, 4 get cancelled. 4, 4 get cancelled. It is equal to AC square plus BD square. Therefore, AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square equal to AC square plus BD square. Therefore, sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to sum of the squares of its diagonals. Hence proved.